And you know, this is silk, baby. And I was like, oh my God.
It's a queen of mine, perfectly designed. Without even trying, her lips are rising, driving crazy.
Hey you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, LD, and that's what you should call me. If you're not quite ready to call me LD, my name is Ladessa. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulars, what it do, boo. So we get to know each other down in the comments section. And if you would be so kind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then go ahead and hit that notification bell button. And the notification bell button lets you know when all of my uploads are uploaded. So in every video we have a sponsor. And today's sponsor is Pandemic Purchases. So as we all have done, we are guilty. I personally am guilty. I'm not going to include you in my foolishness, but I am guilty of and 2 days later, 3 days later, a week later, depending on where you ordered from, there is a little package at the door. So if you want to see what package I'm talking about, then let's go over to the other side. We did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. Bam! Yes, the coveted orange box. I did it. So we are going to actually have a pair on. I have 3 orange boxes that has something in it. Yes. And we are going to graduate to the crescendo. So the first pair of Hermes sandals that I want to show you are the nude Aloha. Let me make sure I'm focused. I tried to record this before and was all out of focus. But these are the nude Hermes Aloha sandals. So I did my due diligence for this video and tried to get some history on the Aloha sandals to see like when did they come out, when did they start making them or whatever. And I couldn't find anything down to the Googler. So I don't know if you can see, but I have dogged these little babies out. I just be wearing them like little house shoes. I need to wipe them down. What I will say, just to give you some details about them, they do clean really easily. When they were sold, they are no longer sold on the Hermes site, but when they were sold on the Hermes site, they retailed for $295. Well, now they're pretty much only available through third-party resellers, or third-party reseller sites, or if you shop like Instagram sellers like JD Finds, they can find you products like this. So I purchased mine from Vestiaire Collective and I paid $370. And on the resale market or pre-loved market, they range from the $370 that I paid up to $450 on Fashion File. And they're on Fashion File, Tradesy, what's the other one? I always get these confused. So there's, let me see, I'm about to tell you, hold on. Fashion File, Tradesy, Vestiaire Collective, where I got mine. And where else are they? Ooh, somebody else, $595. I think not. Let's see, shopping. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm only seeing them on Vestiaire Collective and the Tradesy and fashion file, so I'm not seeing them on like Real or anything like that. So again, these are the nudes. In terms of comfortability, this is a good quality jelly. So the cool thing about it is they do conform to your foot, because again, it's a rubber shoe. And I have wide feet, and thanks to my granny, I miss you, Mary. I do have a little bit of a bunion, so I was a little worried about these and my bunion, like would it be too tight? But it has a lot of give. So I am a US 6.5 or 7, depending on how the shoe is made. Like most European or Italian made shoes, it just kind of really depends. So in the nude, and I'll show you a video of me with them on, they're a little big. Oh, let me go back. I'm sorry. So I'm a US 6.5 or 7, but when I order designer sandals, I always get, or any sandal, it doesn't have to be designer, I always get a 37, just to give myself some room, just so my feet aren't hanging over the top and my foot, the heel, is not hanging over the bottom. So the 37 in the nude is a little longer than the 37 that I have in the other color. So let me show you the other color that I have. And that is this beautiful, they call it green, right? Let me just look on the box. Hold on. Yeah, green. But it's more of a, like a rich, uh-oh, let me get back in frame. No. Okay. I had to make sure it got me and not Diana back there. It's more of a like rich kind of turquoise color. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I am on the hunt because they have the Hermes Eveline in this color, and I am on the hunt for the mini one. I have the big one, but anyway, this is not Hermes bag time, it's shoe time. And so you'll see that in these, the 37 is just like a perfect fit. So, you know, it just kind of all depends on, you know, how they're cut and made. Then the, let me give you some more information about the shoes. So you'll see here, hopefully it'll focus. It's got the inscription here of the Hermes. And then also on the back, you'll see I'm a size 37. I hope that focuses in. Maybe let me shed a little bit more light on myself. So let me see if that's better. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. And then the made in Italy, so on. Okay. So here is my official Hermes purchase. So no third parties, nobody else involved but me and the horsey. Thumbnail. All right, so the Hermes. So I was able to find out some history on the Hermes Oran sandal. And let me go to my notes here. The Oran sandal is the classic H sandal that Hermes started producing in 1997. They retail for $630. That's just, you just get the plain leather, no exotics, or now they have hairs and stuff on the sandals. Too rich for my blood, child. Yeah, calf skin. So it comes in the calf skin leather, or you can get it in the Epsom leather, or like the grained leather. I wish I would have got the Epsom leather, but I wanted to just go with the classic Oran sandal. So I have it in the Hermes orange. And again, I was worried about the comfortability of the leather. I knew I was going to get a good quality leather, but because of my bunion, and because it is such a sleek design shoe, I was worried if it was going to be too tight. But it's a good quality stiff leather, but it's palatable. So it is leather. It's a leather sole, soft kind of Swedish leather sole. I've given this shoe the business, and I didn't take the original plastic off of the shoe. So if you can see here, it has the imprint, the Hermes, my size, and then another wish I would have done is gotten the all colored, the Oran sandal that is all one color. So the sole of the shoe, no, this is the sole. What is this? Yeah, this is part of the sole too, right? The inside of the shoe is all the same color, as well as the trim of the shoe. But I just got the classic with the brown sole. Comfortability, I'm still kind of breaking them in, even though I've worn them a few times, but they do have a nice give if you have a bit of a wider foot. I told you about the size. I didn't feel the need to go up higher than a 37 because of the width of my foot. But in some other reviews that I've watched, I've heard other ladies say that because they have such a wide foot, they've had to go up even 2 sizes. Luckily, I didn't have to do that. You get 2 dust boxes. The packaging is, just pretty standard. You get the ribbon. I don't know where the ribbon is. You know what? I should say I'm still unpacking because my house is officially together. If you want to see a condo tour, let me know down in the comment section. I just need artwork, but everything else is good. Furniture's in place. Office is ready. Beauty room, filming room is all together. But yeah, so the cool thing and the blessing, if you will, about ordering from Hermes is it comes in no time. And the packaging is very nondescript. So it doesn't, on the label, it just has the address. It doesn't say that it's coming from Hermes or anything. You just open the box and there it is. You don't get the orange bag, but you do get the orange box. So if you're one of those people that likes to use luxury boxes for decorating, then you can do that as well. And are they worth it? There's dupes out there. There's dupes out there. Who is it? Steve Madden. He has a Hermes dupe. And I always say, or my thinking now is, go the dupe route before breaking the bank for a luxury purchase. That way you can get a feel for whether or not you even want to, get a feel for whether or not you even want to spend that kind of money on something. How much are you going to reach for it? Does it really fit into your wardrobe? So yeah, that's, I always got a story. So when I ordered my shoes from Vestiaire Collective, I don't know if it was by mistake or what, but inside my box for the nude ones was a Hermes Twilly. 2 of them. And you know that the Hermes Twilly is, how much is the Hermes Twilly? I think I put it in my notes. I think it's like 200 and something bucks. Hermes Twilly scarf. So you can get them on the resale market for as low as $156 all the way up to, oh no, I just seen one on the Real they've been in some trouble, so I don't know if they real. But I see one here for $136.50. So ranging from $136.50 up to $195. And then here we go. I'm on the Hermes site. And the Twilly will run you $230. And you know, this is silk, baby. And I was like, oh my God. I'm always the luxury gods is always raining down on okay. Hopefully I wasn't out of focus. But anyway, the luxury gods, they are always raining down on your girl. So I don't think I'll tie them around the sandal, but I am going to use it as a headband. Cute, right? So like I said, I do have the Hermes Eveline. Hold on, let me show it to you. And I have, where's it at? I have dogged this baby down. Do you hear me? Down to the ground. So I found an Etsy seller that sells the straps. Like you can do different color straps. So I'm just going to get a different strap. And I need to take this to the cobbler and have it cleaned. But yeah, that's it. Right? That's it. Oh, they're very, very easy to clean. So I was worried about that because the first few times that I wore them, it's nice. I be greasing up these little feet of mine. And of course, you know, when your feet be hella greasy, it be attracting dirt and all that other kind of stuff. But I just took a damp, warm cloth. Well, first with the Clorox wipe and tried to get, you know, some of the dirt off. And then I took a warm cloth and did that. It didn't ruin the leather or anything like that. And yeah, that was it. Would you, have you, do you, are you aspiring to purchase anything from Hermes? And if so, let's talk about it down in the comment section. So that's it. Now it's time to say goodbye. So always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are gonna hurt our backs. Ugh, dragging all them bags like that. Go forth. Are you gonna get an orange box? If so, go forth and slay. I'll see you next time. Bye.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me.